Wisconsin voters will see Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s name on their ballot this November. A Dane County judge just denied Kennedy's request to remove his name.
This ruling could make a difference in the tight race here in Wisconsin between Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump. Right now, political reporter Dane County joins us live from the Dane County Courthouse.
And Darielle, you were in court when the judge explained his decision.
Caroline and Brandon, a Dane County judge has ruled that independent candidate Robert F. Kennedy's name will stay on the ballot here in Wisconsin for the November presidential election. The judge was originally set to make his decision tomorrow, but decided that due to the urgency of the case, a ruling needed to be made a lot sooner. Kennedy, who ended his bid for the White House in late August, filed a lawsuit against the Wisconsin Elections Commission for keeping his name on the ballot. The action coming after the WEC voted to deny his request to be removed, based on a Wisconsin statute that says once any person who files nomination papers and qualifies, their name will appear on the ballot except in the case of death. In the suit, Kennedy asked the court to approve a request that would have required county and municipal clerks to cover his name with stickers instead of reprinting ballots ahead of November. Kennedy's attorney arguing that without ballots already being printed and sent out, voter confusion or the feasibility of placing those stickers does not trump Kennedy's constitutional rights.
The court and the petitioner have the right to know what sort of testing has been done that these problems would exist. Did you run 100 through and 10 were rejected? Well, that becomes a big deal, right? But if you ran 100 through and none of them had any problems, then it's not a big deal. If you ran 1,000 through and you didn't have any problems.
Attorneys representing the Wisconsin Elections Commission saying the action is simply too great of a burden on election clerks.
It is impossible for these county clerks and municipal clerks to meet their federal and state deadlines. Scott McDonald testifying that there are over 26,000 absentee ballot requests on file just in the city of Madison alone.
Now, the deadline for county and municipal clerks to print and distribute those ballots is September 19th. I'll have you covered on 27 News at 6 with more details from that ruling and what it could mean ahead of the presidential election. Live in Madison, Darielle Fair, 27 News.